Hello everybody and welcome to this vending machine video. I see a lot of new cars. First the Audi e-tron. Very nice four-door saloon, new casting. The Lotus Elise, also a very nice new casting. Sorry, recolor. The Volvo I already have. Alfa Romeo, the Hummer EV, Mazda Repo, the Nissan Z-Car, McLaren in silver, AC Cobra, the BMW motorbike, Volkswagen Käfer Racer, Ford Focus, BMW CSL, Mercedes AMG, the Volkswagen Baja, Lucid Air, and this racing car, I don't know what it is. Ford Bronco, another Audi, another Baja, the Ford Sierra, the blue Honda City, which is very nice. This Porsche, which is also nice, I may buy. Jaguar, Ford Mustang. Now they have the Mercedes Sprinter in front. I have one which I taken now from the blister, so I'm going to buy another one to keep. And then they have the Back to the Future, which I will buy as well. So join me a moment. I need two hands to get a lot of money. Okay, this is what I have bought, the Sprinter and the Back to the Future time machine. I didn't get the Porsche, and here we have Loki's helicopter. Very nice. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Oh yeah, I will unbox the Back to the Future and we will have another review. See you later. Bye.